I'm Jenny from Garden Nest Living. If you've ever felt like you have a black thumb, this video's for you. Today we're counting down 10 of the most resilient, easy to grow indoor plants that are perfect for beginners. Choosing hardy varieties builds confidence. These plants can handle a little neglect while still purifying your air and brightening your home. First up is the pothos, known as devil's ivy. It's nearly impossible to kill and grows incredibly fast. It thrives in almost any light, just water it when the soil feels dry. One note, keep it away from pets. Number 2 is the iconic snake plant. This is the ultimate low maintenance companion for modern decor. It's a powerhouse for air purification, especially at night, and it can go weeks without water. It handles almost any light level, making it perfect for those darker corners of your home. Third is the classic spider plant. It's resilient, fast growing, and produces these adorable babies. These are wonderful because they are completely safe for your furry friends. They love medium to bright indirect light. Next is the ZZ plant. Its leaves are so glossy they almost look artificial, and it practically thrives on neglect. It's incredibly drought tolerant and grows well in low light spots. It's truly a set it and forget it plant. Number 5 is the peace lily. It's one of the few easy care plants that will actually bloom indoors. It actually talks to you. The leaves droop when it's thirsty and perk right back up once you water it. The cast iron plant is appropriately named for its ironclad constitution. It's practically indestructible, perfect for deep shade and low water. This Victorian favourite is safe for pets too. For sunnier spots, consider the jade plant. This succulent can live for decades and become a family heirloom. Philodendrons are famous for their tropical feel. They are fast-growing fillers that make any room feel like a jungle. Aloe vera is both decorative and functional. The gel inside its leaves is great for soothing minor burns. And finally, the Chinese evergreen. It adds a pop of colour with its patterned leaves and thrives almost anywhere. One of my biggest tips, use the finger test. Only water if the top inch of soil feels bone dry. Overwatering is the #1 killer. Always use pots with drainage holes to prevent root rot. It's non-negotiable for a healthy plant. Keep those leaves clean. Wiping them every few weeks helps your plants breathe and photosynthesize better. Rotate your pots 90 degrees every week or two. This ensures even growth so they don't lean toward the light. If you see yellow leaves, you're likely overwatering. Crispy brown tips, try increasing the humidity around your plants. Starting your indoor garden is so rewarding. Remember, every expert was once a beginner. You've got this. For more expert gardening tips, visit us at gardennestliving.com and follow us on social at Garden Nest Living. Happy planting!